Joining us now, Ray Wang, Constellation Research founder and chairman. And any company, Ray, it's good to see you. Any other company that could put up metrics like this, it's mind-boggling, both in the sheer size and in the year-over-year growth. Can you just give us what you are expecting? What would be a surprise on better than expected? And what would be disappointing tonight? What do you expect? And go revenues and everything, earnings per share, all that.
You got it. And the bottom line is if they can beat $38 billion in sales for the quarter, it's going to be a great quarter. It would be up to 72% year over year. And if they're doubling sales, and that's what people are looking for. But the most important metric is really trying to figure out is demand outstripping supply. The Blackwell 100, H100 growth seems to be still there. We've done checks, and it looks like that. And the other piece is really the AI infrastructure demand. Really, it's 6 companies that's really buying it from Nvidia. That data center demand from the hyperscalers is driving a lot of this growth. You've got Microsoft saying we've got 80 billion committed. Everybody's got about 80 to 100 billion dollar committed. Meta just planned 200 billion in new data center projects, and typically about half or more goes to Nvidia, and that's what people are looking at. And so that's really what people are trying to figure out is, are they going to beat those numbers? And if they don't, the entire tech sector takes a hit. And that's why everyone's on their knees, on their edge of their seats, trying to figure out what's going to happen.
I mean, 38 billion is a big number, but the year-over-year growth is even more amazing. That's got to start moderating. No? Will the outlook matter? What will they tell us?
Well, that's the question. Is sovereign AI going to pick up and other countries are going to double down because they're behind and they're not able to deliver AI to their citizens? Or will people start pulling back because of tariffs? Or will tariffs actually help them? And I think people are waiting to see, are these headwinds there? There's a little issue around DeepSeek where customers were trying to figure out, hey, is general artificial intelligence going to go away? Are people worried about that? But the bottom line is they're still going to be investing. And so the top players are still going to be investing in Nvidia's GPUs. And that's going to go for the next 2 to 3 years until we shift from training to inference. And that's really the big shift. In about 2 years, we're going to see a lot more chips being used for inference as opposed to training. And that's going to actually change the mix because you don't need to use Nvidia GPUs as much for inference.
Okay. Really? I mean, we got a minute left, Greco. You got something? All right. Ray, thank you. I was going to ask you if there's anything we could see about whether DeepSeek was making inroads, or whether there was any, anything in the, any small. But I'm told that, I don't know, the world's going to end or something.
DeepSeek was the Napster moment.
Yeah,
DeepSeek was the Napster moment. They took our technology and gave it away for free, but that was only for a small set of language models.
Great.
So that wasn't going to make that much of an impact. But take care.